game with you, isn't it?
Everything's a game. Everything's a game.
Oh, yes! I couldn't agree more. And doesn't it get so tiresome playing by the rules all the time?
Sweet.
Ooh, you are a breath of fresh air, Woodpecker. Oh, let's eat our dessert first and have dinner after. You social saboteur, you.
You social saboteur, you.
Are you two nuts?
Oh, this is fun.
Oh, this is fun.
Hey, break it up! You're gonna get us kicked off this train!
You! I knew you were trouble!
Let's amscray!
No.
You're coming with me!
He wants to stay. He's the life of the party.
And stay off this train! May I see your ticket, Woodpecker?
He's with me, steward. Put his ticket, put his dinner, put this whole darn dining car on my tab. Then clean this place up at once so we can do it all over again.
My wild woodpecker, gone! Oh, I'd like to take this club and... Wait a minute.
Your Cave Woodpecker Club will make a fine addition to our museum, Mr. Woodpecker.
Is that all it's worth?
Well, we do find a lot of these clubs in our digs. However, if you should ever come across one of these, you'd be absolutely set for life.